Have you ever found yourself drifting into a daydream, a reverie where you're living that sought-after millionaire lifestyle? Imagine for a moment the possibility that the secrets to amassing such fortune aren't hidden away in some elusive mythical treasure chest, but are in fact neatly tucked within the pages of books. Yes, you heard that right. Books! But pause for a moment and consider our reality. In today's world, where every second counts, finding the time to sift through an endless sea of financial literature can seem like an insurmountable task. This is where my tale begins. My transition from an eager entrepreneur to the captain of a flourishing multi-million-dollar empire was significantly fueled by a relentless pursuit of knowledge through literature. While my journey saw me navigating through hundreds of titles, it was the distilled wisdom from a select 40 books that ignited a transformative shift in my financial destiny. Our adventure into financial enlightenment starts with a pivotal challenge to our core beliefs about money. Like countless others, I was ensnared by the pervasive myth that money is the root of all evil. It wasn't until I encountered Secrets of the Millionaire Mind that I realized the necessity of breaking free from this limiting belief, setting the stage for a radical transformation in my financial mindset. The journey didn't stop there. Grasping the true essence of money was the next milestone. The psychology of money challenged and dismantled my previous notions, revealing money as not just a tool for personal indulgence, but as a means to achieve genuine freedom. This type of freedom is subtle, characterized not by lavish displays of wealth, but by an appreciation for money's value, even, perhaps especially, when it remains unspent. Embarking on this quest wasn't just about accumulating knowledge. It demanded a complete overhaul of my mindset, fortified by the teachings of The Magic of Thinking Big and Think and Grow Rich. These books offered more than just an invitation to dream big. They served as a clarion call to action, inspiring readers to meet challenges head-on with the determination and resilience of a warrior prepared for whatever lies ahead. As my mindset began to shift, so did my approach to daily life. Atomic Habits and the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People became beacons, illuminating the importance of disciplined daily routines and the pursuit of deeply resonant goals. This discipline was crucial for mastering high-value skills, as emphasized in So Good They Can't Ignore You, which posits that true passion is a byproduct of such mastery. In a world increasingly shaped by technological advances, mastery and Steal Like an Artist highlighted the critical importance of developing a unique skill set, ensuring one's indispensability in any professional arena. With this foundation of skills, I ventured into the domain of wealth creation. Rich Dad, Poor Dad was a revelation, unveiling the vital distinction between assets and liabilities. The journey from understanding to actively generating wealth was further illuminated by the principles of investing shared in The Compound Effect and the Little Book of Common Sense Investing. As my financial resources expanded, so too did my ambitions. Cash Flow Quadrant reshaped my understanding of income generation, directing my focus towards entrepreneurship and investment as the true engines of wealth creation. However, scaling a business goes beyond mere financial investment and innovation. It requires a mastery of persuasion, leadership, and the ability to inspire others to join your cause, skills that were honed through insights from Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, and Start With Why. Reaching the pinnacle of financial success broadens one's horizons, encouraging a shift in focus from personal gain to the impact one can have on society. The Fourth Turning and the Changing World Order provided invaluable insights into historical cycles and global trends, inspiring a shift from merely amassing wealth to contemplating the legacy one wishes to leave behind. This narrative isn't just a recounting of financial strategies. It's a testament to the transformative power of knowledge, discipline, and unwavering perseverance. And if this deep dive into the essence of wealth building has sparked a flame within you, I warmly invite you to engage with our community by subscribing to our channel, CoCo Finance. Let's continue on this journey together, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and crafting legacies that will endure for generations to come.